What's it?
What's in the shirt?
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Doing his solo thing for the first time. Gerald!
Well, you know, I guess now this is going to be something that I have to deliver, and you know, this is just something that we were talking about earlier today, me and my two friends back here, and then I had no words for it at the time, so now I feel the need to go ahead and, you know, expound on it, so I will. We was talking about like new age love, new era, you know, so it is different nowadays, so I just figured I'll put something on it so you understand, and you know, alright, who are we? Before anything that you take into custody of your own, you have to ask yourself, do you have a man or somebody who wants to be left alone? They haven't really fully understood what a relationship is. To carry on a relationship and a love and the title is something more than what I can really take on. It's the same thing. I'm searching for survival. Survival is to live in a world where we don't understand each other. Survival is to live in a world that's unpredictable, as well as being a person who can't find himself. I fight all my life, as well as each one of us. We are who we are, but now I can't even find out how to find love if I can't rid lust. This is an explosion that have caused an explosion that has erupted. This lava is way too hard and it's way too hot. It has to be corrupted. What type of love are you looking for? They said that they needed something pure, something that started from a root and has somewhere that is going. A goal, a knowing, a possibility, encouraging each other to know that we both survive off humility. I can't find myself, or I can't redefine what it is to have that. Today, it's a new era. Everything is laptops. Everything is iPad. Everything is typed in. Nothing is said anymore. So before you say I love you, how much of this can you really endure? You willing to take my past, incorporate that into now, the current? Can you really do that? I don't really think so. Because they always looking for the man that they think is ideal in their mind, and they live off that. That's just the purest of the facts. I try to understand it, but right now I'm at the time where I just need to relax. So then I fell back and I realized that lust would be the only way to escape the atrocities of what it is that I know to be true. The new era love, something I'd rather not do. So what do we run to? We run to the lust. We run to the heat of the moment, the passion. You know, the passion that's not really lasting. The passion to make you laugh with your homeboys when all of it's said and done. That lust, that moment that made her come. That moment that made all the good girls run because you couldn't have them when you wanted them. Now, we into something new. Now we into something where people don't do the same things that you do. Now you run into people that you know don't even fit in your circle. The people that you already know is going to hurt you. But it's all good though, because now we thinking about the current love that we have in today's era. So that's what it is. Should I live in it? Should I play my part in it? Should I play a role? I don't know. But this is what I have. This is what it is for me. I'm not going to kill myself. So I live with this hotness and this fume to this degree. I live with this craziness that the Lord has given to me. Well, He didn't really give it, but He let me live it. I'm here. I'm not leaving. I'm going to live crazy as hell and be a fucking heathen. Excuse my language, but this is what I'm believing. Before you try to say something about that, you have to realize what spirits in my body are naturally leaving. I'm trying to house them in. I want to keep them. I want to have them. I want to hold them. I want to caress them. I want to mold it. I want to watch it grow. I want it to be so much more explosive than what it really is, because love is something pure, and I want to have kids. I want to have a wife. I want to have the things that America said I shouldn't have when I was doing fucking dirt. When I was doing so many things that my mom would hurt, my mom would call me, and now my mind is going berserk. I would never call her back. She wondering where the hell I'm at. Don't worry, mommy. I'm just doing what I do. Don't react. She wants to believe all the things that to be true because she knows I'm a genius in my own point of view. I'm a genius. Everyone is. And that's how I should feel. But I'm living in a world that's not really fucking real. They got reality TV shows that only build and live off of people and show these young kids that love don't really live. Because now money is a factor. Now they turned these little kids into bastards when they came from parents that are actually good. They came from a lifestyle, a home, a house, but now everything is not what it used to be no more, because this new era of love and technology that we've explored and that we've endured will leave us to drop to our knees and cry on the floor. This shit is really real. This is real fucking hate. It's not love anymore. We lust, because that's the only thing that we knew when we opened that door. How do you close it? I molded myself into a person that I'm not even content with. But it is what it is. I handle my fucking business. Okay. I believe that. But at the same time, I know there's parts about me I have to change before this next good girl actually reacts and understands where my mental is at. I need you to understand where I come from, and I will do the same for you. That's what real love is. Doing and understanding what other people won't do and or understand. This is something deeper. This is me in quicksand. This is me living in a place where I don't even call land. It's only water here. I was in the Navy before I even joined the fucking Navy. So what does that tell you about me supporting here? I don't have no life jacket, so what do? I paddle my little arms and try to stay afloat. I do whatever I have to do. I don't need the boat. I'd rather do what I do because I understand what I've spoke. I need you to understand it too. Because love is not a one-way street. It goes different ways too. I'm at a four-way. So excuse me if I can't take that right with you, or take that left with you, or even keep going straight, because that's what just people that's out of their mind do. I might be slightly detached from reality, but I do understand where I'm at. So before you start talking about love, I need you to acknowledge the true facts. Understand the lust and where that gap is at. Understand that line that separates the two. Understand the real love that you depict to be true. Because idealism and ideology is something that's been given to you. This is something that you read every day. This is something that you obtained before you even started going to school. You didn't even know it. So you would have to understand all the things and all the elements of life that has been given way before you actually started living. Take it back to a time when you was pure. I think about that myself all the time, just because I need to remind myself that I'm still human, but I'm still a good man at heart. I'm not going to lie to you. Dirt has been done. Blood has been shed. But it is what it is, and I'll just have to live. Understand where I come and how we merge together. Love is way better than lust forever. It is what it is.